Design Miami catapulted onto the design scene in 2005. For the past 5 years, with fairs in both Miami, Florida and Basel, Switzerland, it has brought together the international design community for an exploration of commerce, creativity and culture.
Design Miami is a very important part of our year. It's certainly the most, as far as we're concerned, the most important fair that we do in the US. Bringing together as it does so many important international dealers at a time when there are so many potential clients in Miami, so many art fairs, none the least being Art Basel. We have such a shared client base that it's an invaluable opportunity for us to gain a high level of exposure to the right sort of clients. So it's a very important part of our year and one that we consider essential.
Miami has this incredible combination of tropical fun and also cultural substance. When Art Basel decided to come here, it became the international city for art in the United States. The real transformation then came with the invention of Design Miami. And then Miami became this great American city for art and design.
In celebration of 5 years strong, we've put together an incredible program for Design Miami 2009. Our show will showcase the most important work in the marketplace and address the most relevant issues currently facing the world of design. Design Miami 2009 will feature 15 exhibiting galleries. It will include design performances, design talks, workshop, and we will introduce Design on Site.
Design on Site is a program that Design Miami developed in order to give designers the opportunity to present new work and give visitors a chance to go deeper into their world. Workshop is a collaborative project that Design Miami has put in the capable hands of Jim Drain, a local artist, P. Scott Cunningham, a local poet, and Graham Hudson, who's a sculptor in the United Kingdom. So the three of them together are planning a zine-making factory. Within this space, Jim and Scott and a cast of local and international writers, designers, and artists are going to produce daily or multiple zines that include content inspired by the fair.
This year, the cultural programming that we have put together is hands down the most exquisite collection of curatorial outlooks that comprehend literature, fashion, music. We have an extensive Design of the Year presentation with Martin Bass, which is going to be fantastic.
My real-time project, which I launched in Milan this year, is a kind of theatrical film project which we will show. And besides that, we also made a special commission. It's a cabinet, a steel cabinet, very roughly welded with a very special kind of welding technique in which copper is being welded.
The design talks give us an opportunity to work with luminaries in the field. The theme this year is collections, commissions, and collaborations, and it's all about the relationship between patrons and designers and how they end up working together to create the most exciting design projects out there.
We're making a statement that technology is today's craft, and Moritz Waldemeier was a perfect candidate to translate this message, and it's been a really exciting project to work on. Not only are we given the opportunity to work with Fendi and with Moritz, but also with OK Go, and I think it's going to be a really lively demonstration, and it's also going to open people's eyes to looking at design through a very unexpected experience. All of this will take place in a stunning venue crafted by Iran Delash.
It's intentionally meant to be a kind of strong and almost have a kind of monumental kind of presence, but it's made of fabric. So the skin has this kind of play of light and a sort of moire pattern to it that moves with the wind.
Of course, all of this has been made possible thanks to dedicated sponsors like HSBC Private Bank, Audi, Fendi and Swarovski. Together, we've embraced the creative spirit and found innovative ways to showcase design and their individual brands.
HSBC Private Bank is the only financial services player involved in the area of high-end collectible design, and we intend to develop our ownership of that space through our partnership with Design Miami. HSBC Private Bank is confirming its commitment to design by launching the Connection Collection, which is a private collection of design. The Connection Collection will debut with new work by Arik Levy. The result is truly fantastic. It's a modular shelving system made out of wood and laminated steel, and an accompanying seating arrangement that together really explores the notion of how people connect.
The collaboration between Swarovski and Design Miami is so fruitful because we share the same values. This year we have the incredible honor of working with Greg Lynn, the fabulous architect and product designer. In his exhibition we will see the combination of high-tech materials implemented within the sailing industry combined with Swarovski crystals. So it's really a very useful material, a functional material combined with a very decorative material in order to create an art piece and a statement piece.
We have an amazing presentation awaiting you this year. We want you to experience everything that is Design Miami 2009.